Neha, welcome to my channel Pooja Loves Drama. Hope so you guys love to watch my videos and my videos will be beneficial for you. So today's video I'm going to talk about some Chinese dramas that is on air right now, and most of them are wuxia dramas, historical dramas, and you are gonna love these dramas if you love to watch dramas with martial arts, world, historical, supernatural power. Like, you are gonna love these dramas if you love to watch dramas like this. And we have so many upcoming dramas in upcoming months on VTV, on Youku, on IG. There are so many updates, so many teaser trailer of new dramas that is on reservation right now. So you have to wait for all these dramas because it's really gonna be amazing. Most of our favorite actors in our upcoming dramas. So I will talk about those dramas in next video. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click on subscribe button, and if you love to watch my videos, don't forget to click on like button also, and turn on notifications so you can get notification of all of my videos and you can get the information on time. So let's talk about some dramas that I'm watching right now and super worth it to watch. So our first drama is Follow Your Heart. You can watch this drama on IG and you are gonna love this drama because we have Yunchi in this drama, and you are gonna see the love story of a prince and a doctor. The prince, who is a constable of a county and who is solving some cases about Jornia grass. So he came to Hemen City and he will meet a doctor, that is Yan Nanching. Both have some problems. Our prince have some problems of face blindness. He is suffering from face blindness. That means he can't recognize the face of any person. He recognizes them with voice. And our Dr. Yan Nanching, who have some problems, like in every full moon night she will change her appearance. So they will entangle with each other in that city and they will become friends to lovers. They will travel together, they will solve so many cases. So we are gonna see everything, how he will solve all the cases, how their friendship will turn into love relationship, then marriage. So it's really worth it to watch and you are gonna love this drama definitely. I watched first 5 episodes. It's full of romance, comedy, fights, and some mystery, some cases. Like, you are gonna see everything. If you love to watch historical dramas, then you're gonna love this drama definitely. And if you guys love to watch dramas with pure martial arts world, pure wuxia drama, then you are gonna love this drama, The Legend of Heroes. And it will be the second season because we already have The Legend of Conquer Heroes. So you are gonna love this drama as well. We have two main characters, Gojing and Yang Kang, who were the son of two Swan brothers, and they were killed by one person who is the king right now. So these two sons were raised by some different groups in martial art worlds, and now they have to compete to against each other. So many things will happen. They will find their girl, they will fall in love, and they will so many things going to be happen. One Gojing, that is innocent and righteous person, and our Yang Kang, who is the shameless person, you can say. They will compete with each other and their masters and their families. So many things going to be involved with them. So this drama is really worth it to watch. I watched first 5 episodes and it's really amazing, entertaining, and you're gonna love this drama. Our next drama is Beauty Strategy. You can watch on Youku app, and this drama is also good because this drama have only 24 episodes and every episode is just 12 minutes each. So you are gonna love this drama because their chemistry is good. And the storyline is about some human race clan and some spirit clan, snow clan, fantasy tribes. There are so many tribes, but every tribe's in the control of human race, and every member of that clans will come to the palace for their purposes. And we are going to see the love story of the princess of spirit clan Choi and the prince of human race clan, that is Mu Shanjae. So we are going to see their love story and how he will get the power because his stepmother is the real person who is all behind this. He wants to save the world, he wants to be a good emperor, and Shonwe will help him in everything. So we are going to see everything according to that, and we are gonna love this drama as well because it's really interesting. Our next drama is My Sassy Girl, that is airing on Youku app right now, and this drama is also amazing, super worth it to watch because it's full of romance, comedy, and fantasy. We are going to see so many things. We are going to see the love story of Lu Nani and Lin Chungju, who were childhood friends, lovers, everything, and who were prepared to run together because of their social status. But now they were separated and they will meet again after 3 years later. Now Lin Chungju became the perfect of Jinjo and Lu Nani became the popular novelist. But however, our Lu Nani becomes involved in a murder case because of her writing. So they will see each other again after 3 years. They will entangle with each other, and they will think, at first they will think to take the revenge because of the emotions, and because they hurt the experience they hurt in the past. But they will entangle with each other again and again, and their story of falling in love will all over again begins. We are going to see how their love story begins again and how they will solve all the cases. So it's really amazing and super worth it to watch. You're gonna love this drama definitely. It's all about all the dramas I'm watching nowadays, and in next video I'm going to tell you about all the upcoming dramas that is going to be here within few months, within few weeks also you can say. And we are going to see the dramas of Dylan Wang, Zhao Lucy, Bai Lu, like our favorite actor and actress. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click on subscribe button, and if you love to watch my videos, don't forget to click on like button as well, and turn on notifications so you can get the notification of my videos. You can get all the information on time. Thank you so much for watching my video till now. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.